Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eBay seller account and shipping labels, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for an eBay seller account, start by visiting the eBay website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. If you don't have an account yet, click on the register link. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you've filled out the form, click Create Account. After your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Next, log into your new eBay account using your email and password. Now, navigate to the Sell section at the top of the page. Click on the List an Item button to start the selling process. Choose the category that best fits the item you want to sell. Fill in the details about the item, including its title, description, and price. Once you've completed the listing, review your item details and click List Item. Now, let's set up shipping labels. Go to the My eBay section at the top of the page. Click on Selling from the drop-down menu. Select Sold to view your sold items. Find the item you want to ship and click on the Print Shipping Label link next to it. Choose the shipping carrier and service you prefer. Enter the package details and shipping address. Review the shipping costs and click Buy Label to purchase. Once you have the label, print it out and affix it securely to your package. Now you're ready to ship your item to the buyer. Congratulations on successfully setting up your eBay seller account and shipping labels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.